Hey, good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is so good to be here today. It is Friday, November 13th, 2020. Please stand at attention. Let's go ahead and start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nicely done. You all can have a seat. Hey teachers, I tried something to raise the volume of my video, so let me know if that's better. I know it was kind of quiet the last week or so. Students and teachers, we've been talking about relevance of school all week and why school is important and what it's going to do for you the rest of your life. And obviously, as teachers and staff, we feel like school is important to you, but one of our goals is how do we make you feel like school is important to you? And how do you know, what is the benefit? I wish I had known some of the things when I was your age that you're having discussions about right now, because I didn't always know that school was important to me. And I've heard some conversations this week about why do we wear uniforms? Why are we learning this? Those were some great conversations. I heard conversations about different things that you're learning now that you know will help you to get a certain job later or go to a certain college later. I love all of those ideas. Today we're going to sidetrack and go a little bit different direction. Another way that school is really important and very relevant to your life right now and relevant to your future also is because it's the place where you get to practice relationships with your peers and with adults all day. You get so much practice. And this is one of those things that you just can't overstate the benefit of this as you go through life. You are going to have so many relationships in your life. You're going to have friendship relationships. You'll have parent-child relationships, teacher-student relationships. At some point, you're going to have employee-boss relationships, right? Maybe when you're older, some romantic relationships. School is the place where you get to practice this, and you get to practice it a lot. Like when you're at basketball practice and you're like, you know what? I've been missing that free throw. I need to take 100 free throws. Bam, bam, bam. And I sit there and I do that over and over. School is where you get to do that with relationship practice over and over and over. Oh man, I blew that. I don't want to do that with my friend. I want to try it this way. So here's what I want you to talk about in your class today. What are you doing right now at school to practice being a better friend and having better relationships? So what's your role in your classroom? And maybe you can have a conversation about your whole class. What is your whole class doing to do a good job of practicing these relationships and practicing building relationships with people? Maybe teachers, there's a few classes that need to have a conversation about what's happening in our class right now that we need to fix so that we can move forward in a way of practicing and building healthy relationships. So that's what I've got for you today. Have a great day and a great weekend. Bye, guys.